In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free SSL on your website. As you can see, I don't have an SSL certificate on my website, and when I go to my dashboard of my WordPress website, you can see that there is no SSL installed because it is not secure. So if you want to make this green with a green lock, that means that it's safe, and if you want to make a web shop of this, people won't buy stuff because they don't trust it. So what you want to do, so let's go to Google first. As you can see, they have an SSL certificate, connection is secure. Type in free SSL. So you want to go to SSL for free. This is the website we're going to use. And here you have to paste in the website link. So you want to copy and paste your link, just like this, remove this. And then hit create free SSL certificate. And now you want to create an account. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Then hit register. Now it's going to make the account. And now you want to go to new certificate over here. And then you have to enter in your domain. So copy it again. Paste it in here. And then you want to remove this. Just like this. As you can see, now it's accepted. And you want to go to next step and select a 90-day certificate. For 3 months, that's very long. Then hit next again, and now you want to select the free one, of course, and you have to hit next step. And now, as you can see, your certificate has been created and is ready for domain conf. And as you can see, your certificate has been created and is ready for domain verification. So now you have to enter in the email. So basically do that. For me, it's admin@. And then you have to hit next step. And now you have to verify the domain by selecting the email. And now you have to confirm the email. So I'm going to confirm my email right now. So as you can see, I verified my email and now it's accepted. And now it will take some time to configure the SSL to the domain. But when you go to your website right now, so this is the website, you want to go to your dashboard of WordPress, then go to plugins, and you have to install a plugin to activate the SSL from here as well. So you want to add a new plugin. It's called SSL. You just type in SSL, and then you find the plugin called Really Simple SSL. You want to install it, and basically what this plugin does, it will redirect the normal website, so HTTP, to the HTTPS server, and that makes it safe. So as you can see, it is activated now by hitting it, and this is basically everything you have to do. And now this will get green within a few hours. So if this helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.